Hello everyone, my name is Ignacio Torres. I'm Architecture Solutions Manager for Netnix. I'm glad to be here today to talk to you about one of our integrations between imVision and CMDB. So let me first introduce Netnix. We've been in the market for over 25 years. We have a multidisciplinary team of high qualified professionals, and we do works in a lot of verticals like service management, API design, security management, infrastructure management, and we have a strong focus on our goal to customer satisfaction. So what we're going to show you is an integration between a CMDB and imVision. First, we need to understand what is a CMDB. So basically it's a database that allows us to create configuration items and relate them and show how that relation makes it work in a service. So basically we have these configuration items or CIs that are physical servers or logical association of them. And that allows us to provide visibility, transparency to manage those IT assets and track them all over the life cycle and support processes like knowledge management, incident management, configuration management, change management. And let us review like the flow and architecture of the integration. So we are doing a both side integration that's going to be between imVision to the CMDB and CMDB to imVision. When we're going from imVision to the CMDB, we're sending all the buildings, rooms, devices, and also the events, because we want to know when something is unplugged or plugged and a work order is created or completed. And when it's going from CMDB to imVision, we only need the buildings, rooms, and devices because we don't handle events. So now that we have reviewed that and we are seeing here all the methods that we're using on the REST API from imVision, and you can check them all later, so we're using most of them, and we're going to pass to the demo, and then you're going to see all these like working. So just a second and I'll open the browser. Thank you. So here we're seeing the CMDB, and it's showing us a business service. Right now it's like a home banking application, and you can see how this is all related to all the applications, servers, and what we got new in this integration that we have all the servers, the physical servers connected to all the switches and the routers, and with all the connections, all of that information we're taking it from imVision. Let me show you guys as well in imVision how you are seeing that information. We're seeing it here. We can see I have selected a port that we're going to use for this demo, and right now if we go back to the CMDB, I'm going to show you that router 1 is connected to a lot of switches. You have a connection to switch 10, 12, 9, and 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and disconnect it from imVision, and then we're going to see how that gets deleted from the other one. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to unpatch this. It's going to generate a work order. I'm going to complete that work order. First, I'm going to acknowledge the event, and then I'm going to go to the work order. I'm going to complete the work order, and I'm going to delete that connection that we were seeing. So right now, if we look at the port, so we don't see the connection anymore. And if we go to the CMDB, I'm going to refresh this, and I'm going to see that one of the connections is no longer there, so we don't have a connection to the switch 11. So that's only one part of the integration. All the population and all the data we have here has been done doing the API integration between imVision and the CMDB. We can do it backwards, and we can create connections, and that is going to create the work orders on imVision. So anyway, that's what I want to quickly show you guys. You can get in touch with us and we can show you much more of it. Thank you so much for your attention.